Dodge Dart fans, you're looking at a beautiful 62 Dart from Ohio. It's for sale, evidently. They don't have a price written up there, but it's a prepared 440 in there. Real nice paint. Look at how that glows in the sun.
But there is parking over here. If you're looking for a place to park, you're more welcome to go over here.
This is what started it for Chrysler. They were starting to put out their super stock race cars, and they were debuting on bodies like this. And this crazy styling from 62. It was toned down in 63 and became even a much more popular hit, especially the Sport Furies and stuff like that. But this is a very nice little Dart, very pretty car, color keyed wheels. All the trim looks good. No bubbling or anything anywhere that I can see, and the interior is very clean. Automatic push button car.
Again, next month we will be over at our other spot.
So yes, very controversial body style. Quite bizarre looking, actually. But still, part of Chrysler's racing history was started with these various bodies. So there you have it, Gauze Garage, Englewood Block Party, Englewood, Florida. Thank you.